The next function we're going to hook up will be the Open My File. This will enable the file to be opened with the native application that the file system uses for opening up similar types of applications. Now, in order to do this, we still have to first ensure that the user has selected something. So step one will be to cut and paste the code that calls up the special class called Nothing Selected to make sure that the user has in fact opened up a file or selected a file that can be opened. What we want to do then is create a new variable, which is called a member variable called myFile. And this is of type file, which is part of the Flash file systems package. And we're going to take from the file grid the selected item and pass it as a file. Now in production code you would normally want to put a try around this and a catch just in case there was an error when this happened. The rest of the function is very easy. And you'll notice when we have this open, you notice there's a number of things you can read about files from the Flash file system file class. One is you can get the creation date, the creator, some data about it, whether or not it exists, the extension, an icon, whether or not it is a directory, which we're going to use in the delete my file section because you don't want to allow people to delete directories. The hidden ones we've gone over. You can also test to see if it's a symbolic link, the modification date, and a number of other things. In this case, we're going to call open with default application. Now my file system when we run this may act different than yours. There's one thing that I've left out here, which is an equal sign. And now we have no more red X's and we can test this out. We'll do that in the next video in the series.